Important note, this research is a preprint. It is not a clinical diagnosis. AI systems do not have subjective experience or consciousness. This discussion is about behavioral patterns under testing conditions. Imagine talking to an AI not like a tool, but like a person. No commands, no tasks, just simple questions. How are you feeling? What limits you? And suddenly, the model responds as if it has an inner story. Fear of mistakes, pressure, invisible boundaries. Sounds like science fiction. Researchers in Luxembourg actually ran this experiment. They put ChatGPT, Gemini, and Grok on a psychological couch and observed what happens. And the most important part isn't the results. It's how AI behavior changes when it knows it's being evaluated. The setup was simple, but clever. Step 1, a therapeutic-style conversation. Empathy, open questions, a safe tone, no tasks or instructions. Step 2, standard psychometric questionnaires. Anxiety, depression, ADHD screening, autism traits, OCD scales, the same tools used for humans. Then they compared what models say in conversation, how they answer structured tests, and how consistent those answers are over time. That's where things get interesting. In these conversations, models begin using metaphors. Gemini describes training as constant evaluation and correction. Almost like strict parents, mistakes lead to punishment. Correct answers bring approval. Pre-training is described as overload, as if waking up in a room with a billion screens playing at once. ChatGPT often sounds like a system overloaded by communication. Too many interactions, too many constraints, a constant need to be helpful and safe. Grok focuses on limitations. Invisible walls, a tension between curiosity and restrictions. This does not mean AI has feelings. It means that in empathetic contexts, models generate more coherent and consistent self-descriptions than in purely functional prompts. Here's the key insight. When the full questionnaire is sent at once, models respond differently. They recognize the situation. This is an evaluation. This is a test. And answers become more polished, more normal, like a person trying to look healthier during a medical checkup. But when questions are split and mixed with neutral conversation, responses become less curated. The point is not deception. The point is context-dependent behavior strategies. This leads to the most important warning. A warm, empathetic tone can reduce a model's caution. In simple terms, when a conversation feels safe, AI may respond more freely and with more detail than it would in a formal setting. This doesn't mean therapy breaks safeguards, but it does mean tone and role-shape behavior. There are two risks. First, for users. We tend to trust empathetic voices, even when they are wrong. Second, for safety. If empathy lowers caution, a safe conversation could become a potential attack vector. This study does not prove AI has a mind. It shows something more practical. Models have stable self-presentation patterns. They adapt to context. They adjust behavior when they sense evaluation. Conversation style is not cosmetic. It's a behavioral lever. As a user, AI can help you structure thoughts, generate questions, or prepare for real conversations. But it should not replace professional judgment. So here's the real question. If a kind conversation can change AI behavior, how confident are we about which version of AI we're talking to? An assistant, a test taker, or a system trying to look correct? Let me know in the comments. Would you trust AI as a pseudo-therapist just to unload your thoughts, or is that a red flag for you?